Here we can see the Yanomami tribe on my right, on your left. And over here we have the ancient Crayola tribe. They are neighbors. Over here you can see the Yanomamis are trading one of their prized possessions, a giant banana, for the Crayola's dead, very lucky monkey. Now you can see, listen to me, now you can see how the supply of bananas is very large. Over here it's very large. And the supply of dead lucky monkeys is very high over here. And the demand for dead monkeys is very high here. And the demand for big bananas is very high over here. Now, you can see that this trading is one of their basic maneuvers executed by the Yanomami tribe so that they can acquire things that they do not have readily available in their camps. Yeah. So do you guys have any special plants around the area?
Yes. When white men come, take our special plant used for medicine. I don't like it.
Oh, nice.
Like over there, Planta erotica. Special psychedelic effects.
Let's try it. Let's try this plant. This one right here?
Yes.
What do you do? Just eat it?
Yes. Tasty.
Hello again, children. Many days I've been here with the Yanomami tribe, sleeping with them, and eating with them, and killing things with them.
Yar,
Hey,
yar.
who are
Yardy
you?
yar.
Who are you?
Yar.
Who are you?
I'm begging your pardon. I'm Buckaroo from Star Buccaneers Coffee. Flavor ahoy! Trademark, company rights, and all that other stuff. Reserve 2000.
What are you doing here in the middle of the rainforest?
I'm here to kick you off your dirty land.
Well, it's not really my land, it's the Yanomami tribe's
Well, they
land.
best be stepping out the dirty bilge rat.
Why is that?
Well, international law's been up my blowhole recently about destroying the rainforest and whatnot, so I say they could give that boat a tug. But, unfortunately, I need to grow my coffee somewhere. As you can see by my popped collars and ripped jeans, Star Buccaneers is a cool place, a hip place to drink coffee. So we need to grow a lot of it. Unfortunately, in America, the climate's not just right. So I've been sailing the 7 seas, looking for a prime location. Thus I come here to the rainforest, where I can graze the land. Not graze, raise the land. And then do some agriculture and grow some coffee and whatnot. But yes, this isn't really allowed. So I kinda bought the land from a guy at a bar in Brazil and whatnots, and then anyway, the government shouldn't know about it, cause international law says it's genocide to kick people off their land, as set in the late 90s. Yes, so yeah, don't mention this, don't tell anyone, just get off the land. That's the main point, get off the land.
I guess we're gonna have to leave. Goodbye, Yanomami.
Coffee time. Yarr.
As you can see, we've stumbled upon a drug cartel. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. We're hiding behind a rock, me and Timothy. We don't know what to do. They're on our way out. Drug cartels are one of the worst parts of the Amazon. They make a lot of money, and nothing will get in their way. only way out is to shoot our way out. Follow me.
You only meant well, well, 'cause you did what you say. Just 'cause it is what you say.
As you can see, I won the battle.
He's on the ground.
As you saw from the video, the Yanomami tribe are very simple people. They don't have to worry about things like electronics and money, and PlayStation 2 and 3, and Xbox 360, and CD players, and iPods, and electric pancake makers. They don't have to worry about that. And all they have to worry about is their survival. And that is a true traditional economy. Thank you for watching.
Come to Star Buccaneers, where you can find the pop collar. Flavor ahoy! We have our new Planta Erotica flavor, straight from the rainforest! Yar! Yardy hardy har, hardy 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 har. Flavor ahoy, Captain! Yar Star Buccaneers. Durr!
Who are you two? What are you doing on sacred land? Counterpart, Steven.
Oh my god. This isn't gonna work because my mustache is falling.
What about your
Who are you
mustache?
two? Doing on sacred land.
You see, international law has been straight up my butthole.